Passenger transportation by airlines and railways plays a crucial role in global mobility, connecting people across vast distances efficiently and safely. Airlines primarily provide long-distance, high-speed travel that enables people to cross continents and oceans within hours. Air travel is essential for international business, tourism, and emergency situations, allowing individuals and goods to move swiftly between different parts of the world. On the other hand, rail transportation offers a more cost-effective and environmentally friendly alternative for medium to long distances, particularly within countries or across regions. High-speed trains such as those found in Europe and Asia provide a viable substitute for short-haul flights, reducing congestions in the air and lowering carbon emissions. Trains are also known for their reliability, comfort, and ability to transport to large volume of passengers in a single journey. Both modes of transportation contribute significantly to economic growth by facilitating trade, promoting tourism, and enhancing regional connectivity. They also support social development by allowing people to access educational, employment, and healthcare opportunities in different regions. Moreover, advancements in technology have made both air and rail travel safer and more efficient, ensuring that passengers experience minimal delays and increased convenience. As the global populations continue to grow, urbanization increases, the demands of efficient passenger transportation system becomes the more critical. Airlines and railways not only enables the movement of people, but also promote cultural exchange and foster international understanding, making them indispensable to modern society.
Motor coaches and cruise ships are next. So they are popular forms of transportation, especially for group travel. Motor coaches, commonly known as buses, are used for long distance travel, tours, and intercity transportations. They are cost effective, fuel efficient, and provide a comfortable ride with amenities like reclining seats, Wi Fi, and restrooms. Many tour companies use motor coaches for sightseeing trips, allowing passengers to relax while traveling to multiple destinations. Cruise ships, on the other hand, offer a unique travel experience by combining transportation and accommodation. These floating resorts provide entertainment, dining, and recreational activities while taking passengers to various destinations. Cruises are popular for vacations, offering a hassle-free way to explore multiple locations without the need for constant packing and unpacking. They operate on different routes, including ocean voyages and rivers or river cruises, catering to different preferences and budgets. So both motor coaches and cruise ships emphasize convenience and comfort, making them ideal for travelers seeking relaxation and efficiency. While motor coaches are best suited for land-based journeys, cruise ships provide an immersive travel experience on water, making both options valuable in the transportation industry. And that is all for our transportation sector. Thank you.